How to cook a pumpkin cheesecake. Hey Klondikers, let's bake an amazing pumpkin cheesecake today. Let's begin with the dough. Roll the dough until it's nice and thin, leaving a small piece for decorations. Grease the baking dish with butter. Loosely wrap the dough around your rolling pin. And unroll it over the dish. Press the dough into the dish. And trim the excess. Use the leftover dough to cut out little leaf shapes. Now for the filling. Measure 425 grams of pumpkin puree. Add 2 eggs. Add 115 grams of brown sugar. Pour in 240 milliliters of whole milk. Add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and a half teaspoon of salt. Whisk until smooth. Then pour the filling into the crust. Brush the dough leaves and the crust edge with a little oil or milk. Place the cheesecake and the leaves in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Time to relax and play Klondike Adventures. Take the leaves out of the oven, they brown quickly. Then reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cheesecake for about 40 minutes more. Let the cheesecake cool at room temperature for at least an hour so it sets. Arrange the baked leaves. And top with cranberries. Finish with a light dusting of powdered sugar. And you're done. Enjoy your awesome pumpkin cheesecake.